Hello everyone, my name is Michal. You might know me from some videos on the internet. So today's video will be special for English speakers that are interested in Carpatho-Rusyn language. So in this video I'll try to introduce you to some basic greetings and some basic phrases that might be helpful to say hello. So greetings as a thing, it's Поздравы or поклоны, because when we say hello, we are кланяемся. So my mom used to tell me, треба се людям кланяти, треба се поклонити. So поздравы, поклоны, кланятися. So the most basic and informal, the most basic and informal word is Ahoy, Ahoy, or привіт, привіт. So Ahoy, привіт. Those are quite basic, quite informal, just a way to say hello to your friends or mates. So there is another one that is здоров, здоров, здоров. This one is usually used by guys, I mean not women but males. So when you see your friend, you might say здоров. This one is followed by a handshake usually, but not necessarily. But at some places this exact word also means the handshake itself. So this action that you do with your hands is named здоров. So when two grown-up guys are shaking their hands, они се здоровкають. Дають едно другому здоров. Okay? So Ahoy, привіт, здоров. Those are informal way to say hello. Let's go to the more formal ones. So if we dig a bit to the history, we will see that the church had a great influence on people's lives. So most common greetings were Slava Ісусу Христу, Slava Ісусу Христу, Slava Ісусу Христу. Which means basically praise the God, praise the Jesus, basically. And the answer, the typical answer will be навіки Богу слава, навіки Богу слава. So a usual conversation between elderly or grown-up people would start with Slava Ісусу Христу, навіки Богу слава. Okay, so repeat again. Slava Ісусу Христу, навіки Богу слава. Usually people out here don't use this greeting anymore, but if you know an elderly people, you might greet them this way and they will be pleased to hear this again. So more common way to greet each other nowadays is to say добрий день, добрий день, which is basically good day. So we got few options. Добрий рано, which is good morning, добрий день, which is good day, and добрий вечір, which is good evening. So добрий рано, добрий день, добрий вечір. Okay? So those are basic ways to say hello, to greet anyone. But how about to say goodbye? So when you need to leave the place, you say, let's look at informal and then to formal again. So the most basic, the most informal and casual one is to say майся, майся, майся. This one could be translated to English as just like, I wish you to be well, more or less. So, but this is important. It depends whether you speak to one person or to a group of people, or the one you are, or to the elder person that you are. So, if you are talking to the one person, you say майся, майся. But if you speak to the group of people or to the older than you, you might say майтеся, майтеся, майтеся. Okay, so let's go to the formal way to say goodbye. And this is what is peculiar, because here it depends on, Jesus Christ, the spring, you know. Here it depends whether you are staying or you are living, or you are the one who's living the place. So if you are staying but the other person is living, you say ходи здоровий, ходи здоровий, which means I wish you to like go in health and stay healthy, kind of. If it's singular. If it's plural, you say ходіть здорові, ходіть здорові, as well as if you are talking to the older person. So ходи здоровий or ходіть здорові. But if you are the one who's living and the person you say goodbye to is staying here, you say будь здоровий or будьте здорові in case of plural or older person. So let's go again. So basic informal would be майся, майтеся, or you can add additional word to say майся fest, майся добрі, майся шумні, as well with plural. Майтеся fest, майтеся добрі, майтеся шумні. Okay? Let's go to the formal ones. Ходи здоровий, ходіть здорові, будь здоровий, будьте здорові. I forgot to mention the most iconic one, maybe the one I start my videos with when I say доброго здоровлічка, доброго здоровлічка, доброго здоровлічка. I basically wish a good health to anyone I speak with. This is a bit different version from the basic one, which sounds as доброго здоров'я, доброго здоров'я, which means the same thing. It derives from words добрий, which is basically good, and здоров'я, which is health. Thanks for watching.